Alright guys, so we've been in this Brinkley 2024 Z-3110 for almost 2 years now. We've had a couple of projects that we've really wanted to get done. So we've shown a few of the things that we've done. We've had big ideas. We've done a few of them. She reminds me every 6 months to get these projects done, so I finally took it serious. So let's go have a look at what we did.
Okay, so this section of the house I feel like we have definitely struggled with the 2 years that we've had it. It has changed quite a bit. So when we first bought the Brinkley, it had a 4-seater couch. We never used this area ever. It was like wasted space. So the first part we did was we bought a couch on Amazon, which happened to be the most uncomfortable couch we've ever purchased. It was a horrible decision. So we saved our couch, all the 4 pieces. We put it in our storage unit that's in Florida. And when we were down there this year for 4 months, like Danny will remind me that we're always constantly in Florida, we took 2 pieces out of storage and we put them here. They actually fit perfectly, just these 2 pieces right here with the end piece like this. And then I found this desk at Walmart, which fits perfectly for this space. It's like it was made for this. So I love this part of the house. I have great views when I'm working. And it's worked out really, really well for us. So I don't think we're going to make any more changes at all whatsoever in this part of the house.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure. So this is the renovation that I have been asking Danny to do for a while, and he finally did it. So I'm super happy about it. I've been wanting to take these ugly, horrible glass doors down for since the day we bought the RV. They're horrible to clean. They're so heavy. And I just wanted to put shower curtain in here to make it way more of a residential look, as this is our house. So it was super easy to do. It really didn't take him that long. Have my lovely assistant here, Emma.
Hello.
Alright, the girls are hanging up their shower curtain in our new glassless shower. So while they do that, we had this handle sent to us because you see it's all jacked up. So I got a new one right here. I'm going to put it right there.
So I love it. I got a lot of hate online for taking these doors out, and a lot of love, but a lot of comments where people are like, your floor's going to be ruined in weeks. And we've had this in here for almost 2 months now. We have no issues. So I don't know if people just take really messy showers. I'm not quite sure, but as long as the shower curtain stays inside the shower, there's no issues. As far as traveling is concerned, I've only had one time where the shower curtain rod actually fell down while we were traveling, so I just kind of pay attention to that when we're putting the slide out. But other than that, I love it. I think it looks great, and I would definitely recommend doing it if you're on the fence.
So you guys obviously know my favorite upgrade was our Big Beard batteries. We have 3 300 amp hour batteries in there for a total of 900 amp hours of lithium. And it's been great. We've had them in there for almost a year now, and we've done some incredible boondocking. I don't have a ton of solar, I just have the stock 390 watt panel on the roof. But I bought 3 400 watt Renogy suitcase panels. So when I lay them out, we have 1200 watts on the ground and then the 390 on the roof. So by far, my favorite, of course, has been the Big Beard batteries because we've been off grid so much and it's awesome.
Alright, so that's going to wrap up all of our recent mods that we have done to our RV. Living in this thing for 2 years has been a lot of fun. We've seen a lot of great places. We've got a lot of exciting things happening this year. And as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll check you guys later.
Peace.
You look like a model right now. That's a really great shirt that you have
These
on.
are our new RV Trash Talk podcast shirts. So if you haven't checked out RV Trash Talk podcast on all your favorite podcast platforms. Please go check it out. We do it with 4 of our friends, Rob and Trish from Living Like Nomads and Jim and Amy from The Vagabonds. And the 6 of us just have a blast. Our podcast is doing really great. So just look us up online. Check out the podcast. You won't be disappointed.